20th pre-competitive skill test. One of the most striking aspects of the report is its focus on inequality. Full stop. It reveals that people living in the most populated areas breathe air that is 6 times more populated than those in the least populated areas. Full stop. Consequently, their life expectancy is reduced by an average of 2.7 years. Full stop. This inequality exposure reflects broader socio-economic disparities and underscores the need for targeted interventions in the most affected regions. Full stop. Members of the clergy have had a mixed record in this regard, with scholars of repute at times staying silent when their voices needed to be heard the most, while in other instances they have endorsed state-backed fatwas condemning militancy and extremism. Full stop. New paragraph. In a stagnant economy, none of this can begin without international aid and collaboration. Full stop. If anything, the survey highlights two things, public confidence in the economy has declined despite recovery in macroeconomic fundamentals, and fewer people now believe that this macro improvement would lead to betterment in their living conditions in the near future. Full stop. The state could be planning a major counter-terrorism effort there and may consider it important for the Maulana to extend his backing to the state's plans. Full stop. Then there are rumors that coalition government is planning to move important legislation through parliament, in which he may make the difference between a constitutional amendment being passed or not. Full stop. New paragraph. Yet it was welcomed to note that the Council of Islamic Ideology chairman recently addressed and problem of misuse of religious laws with frankness. Full stop. In a media interaction last week, he said certain religious outfits were manipulating Islamic laws as per their liking, while condemning the ghastly trend of mob justice in cases of reported misuse. Full stop. Domestic abuse is not a private dispute to be settled within the home, but a criminal offense. Full stop. Therefore, law enforcement must be held accountable for its instability to prevent the penalize offenses against women. Full stop. Even a semblance of reduced undernutrition and malnutrition indicators cannot be achieved without sustained financing and reforms in the healthcare division to narrow the gap between posh and low income localities as well as rural and urban areas, full stop.